USDA will release its latest supply, demand, and production estimates on Tuesday as farmers rush to make marketing decisions ahead of harvest. Michelle Rook has more in Markets Now.
Grain and livestock futures closing mostly lower on Friday. Sean Hackett is with us with analysis. Okay, so the grains were unable to really extend gains from Thursday. Sean, was that because we hit chart resistance, or do we just kind of get these rallies capped because of the big yield we keep talking about?
Yeah, I mean, we specifically in the corn market, we came to that $4, $3.95 support. It was a logical place to get a bounce. But until you can either confirm or deny some of these wild, large yields that have been put out there by some of the private outfits out there, it's going to be very hard for the market to sustain upside until the USDA chimes in and says what they think is real or not real.
Yeah, and we did have lower weekly closes as well, but you mentioned the report. And what do we have programmed in already, especially on corn yield? If you've got something that was, say, 184 or below, could the market rally?
Yeah, I think deep down the market is very comfortable and they feel that a 185 yield is what they're comfortable with. And I think when you're at $4 in the corn market on December corn, you're trading that.
So is it possible that August could be the biggest yield numbers we see for corn and soybeans? And as a result, could we put in bottoms then?
We've had a warm night scenario this year, and so we would expect that this is going to be the highest yield we see, and that would indicate that the strong likelihood that we would put in a low during this August timeframe, like we did last year.
Cattle sharply lower on Friday, limit down on the feeders. Routine profit taking, or are you concerned?
Those kinds of bear trap reversal technical patterns oftentimes are an indication that the market has just run out of gas to the upside. I know we've seen this before a few times, and we do need some follow through. The 220 area of support on the live cattle market would be a very important level to watch. If we can close below that over the next week or two to confirm that this is more than just a pause. We think it is, and we think there's going to be more downside than we've seen.
Thanks so much, Sean Hackett with Hackett Financial Advisors. We'll have more Ag Day coming out.